Hey everybody, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thanks for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a very beautiful 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee in the limited trim, right over the altitude trim and right under the overland trim. So right in the middle of the trim levels here is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6, clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. A lot of nice comfort and convenience features, just under 56,000 miles. So let's go ahead and take a look. Starting up front here, you can see your high intensity headlights, chrome trim all the way around. You will have fog lights integrated into your lower bumper. You have your classic 7 slotted Jeep grille here with your chrome surround, and then you have your bottom grille as well, making for a nice classy yet aggressive and sporty front end. Yes, it does have it all. Looking at the wheel and tire setup, looks like you're gonna get 4 new Uniroyals all the way around, shiny new rotor, fresh brake pads, fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh PA state inspection. We do not skimp on reconditioning here at All Things Automotive. On the outside here, you will get chrome mirror caps, and then you have integrated turn signal indicators right there. And then you will have passive door entry here on the chrome door handle. Opening up the door here, you will see a couple elements going on. You have your leather here with your black stitching or your gray stitching, and you have your faux wood grain and chrome trim. That's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Nice high gloss black surrounding the infotainment center, a nice upgrade for the 19 model. Black leather all the way around, just a very nice trim level here, guys. Looking at the used car mechanical check sheet, you will see all the tires are 11/32, so 4 brand new tires, new brake pads, everything is good to go. So we like to put the money and the time into these vehicles so you don't have to shortly after purchasing. So let's go ahead and take a look into the rear space here. Again, very nice leather all the way around. You do have a flip down cup holder, plenty of space back here, and you will have a flow through center console with a 115 and 2 USBs. Let's make our way to the liftgate here. In the limited trim, you will get the liftgate assist. So I just press that button under the latch right there. It's gonna go ahead and automatically lift. Plenty of cargo space here. There's your liftgate button as well. Under here, you will get a full-size spare, jack, and accessories. These seats do fold flat. Looks like an 80-20 split for more cargo space. Let's go ahead and hit that button and make our way to the driver area. Did want to mention you will have blind spot monitoring as well. Looking inside, here's all your power door options, mirrors, etc. If we go ahead and look down here, you will have 2 driver profiles. So the seats are memory and they are powered on this side. Here you will have your gas tank or your gas lid release, your brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, and your lamp selector. So let's go ahead and get in and start it up. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience: lock, unlock, remote start, and then your liftgate button right there. So let's go ahead. You'll be met by some nice Jeep graphics here. So just under 56,000 miles. Okay, on the steering wheel, you will see your mounted controls. This will pan through all kinds of information here on your center clusters. You will have your option to do a Bluetooth right here, and then cruise control to the right. Let's go take a look at this little nice upgraded infotainment center, surrounded by high gloss black and then chrome. So it is a generous size. It's very clear on the display. You do have backup camera, all powered by Uconnect from Chrysler Jeep. And then there's your heated seats and your heated wheel, okay? Working our way down here, you can see your climate control. Pretty straightforward there, but you do have some extra options here. I don't know if you noticed on the exterior of the car, you will have proximity sensors. You can turn them on and off. This Jeep is equipped with auto start and stop, so when you're at a stop sign for fuel efficiency, it will stop, but you can turn that off if you don't mind, if you don't like that. Eco mode, you can turn that on and off. Shuts down some of the cylinders, makes the car more fuel efficient, or you can put it on sport, which drives a little bit more aggressively. It's going to make the Jeep have shorter shift points, makes for a fun drive. And there's your burnout button. Just kidding, traction control off. Okay, nice storage down below here. Leather wrap shifter, really nice. You do have your manual shift option up or down depending on your driving situation. 2 cup holders, and then you have your drive modes right here: auto, sand, snow, mud, rock. And then you do have your neutral button if you choose to flat tow. That's a nice option. 4-wheel drive low, lock in right there, and then your downhill descent control. So a lot of nice options, definitely a lot of driving capabilities in this Jeep. Nice deep center console there. No stains, rips, tears, or odors in this vehicle. Was definitely not a smoker's car. If we go up top here, you can see your auto dimming mirror. You also have another lift gate button here, storage for your sunnies, and an integrated garage door opener. So there's a lot of nice comfort and convenience features in the limited trim here. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a nice and clean and healthy sounding V6 engine here. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. No evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. So there you have it, under the hood. Thanks for sticking around for our last portion of the video. If you stuck around this long, you might just be a buyer and this part might just be for you. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna take a look at any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Again, they are pre-owned vehicles. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Let's go ahead and start up front. We did install this ABS chip guard right here, or the above guard. Up front here, you will see normal wear and tear on the hood. It's not perfect. You will have some blemishes here on the hood from normal road wear and tear. Again, if you look at the front, you will see some blemishes here up front from the road, okay? Okay, the wheel liners, no discoloration or anything like that. Like I said, brand new uniroyals, no curb rash on the wheels, so very, very good shape there. On the mirror cap, as you can see, no chipping or fading away of that. All the chrome trim around surrounding the doors. The high gloss black seems to be in good shape. Definitely no dents or dings, but you will have some blemishes here and there. Okay. Coming around to the back of the lift gate here, you will see some more blemishes. Not a lot of scarring. I don't think I see any scarring on that skid plate right there for the cargo. Bottom bumper, back bumper seems to be good. But you're gonna have little imperfections here and there, guys. No dents or dings or anything like that. The interior is in really good shape. I didn't see anything. You will have some stress right here, or usually right here on that bolster, but it's not cracking or anything. Definitely no stains or tears. Again, no odors. Carpet's in really good shape. So the interior is very clean. The outside does have some blemishes, but there are no dents or dings that I can see. So give us a call here at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales. Or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7. Takes 5 minutes to get yourself pre-approved. Yes, we take trade-ins, and make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this car does qualify. Other than that, guys, come on out. 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. This is the 19 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited with just under 56,000 miles. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.